Hey everyone, welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. I'm Lily, and oh boy, am I thrilled to have you here for episode 27, How to Talk About Your Weekend Plans, Real Daily English Conversation. Whether you're just starting out with English or you've been practicing for a while, this episode is designed to make chatting about your weekends feel easy and natural. We're all about that friendly vibe, helping you build confidence one conversation at a time. And of course, I've got my fantastic co-host joining me.
Hey, that's me, Ben. Hello, listeners. Lily, you nailed it. Weekends are like that sweet reward after a long week, aren't they? Time to unwind, explore, or just veg out on the couch. But the real fun is in talking about them, sharing plans with friends, family, or even that random person at the coffee shop. Today, we'll dive into real-life English dialogues, highlight keywords and phrases to stick in your memory, and throw in some interactive bits where you can pause and repeat out loud. Plus, we'll keep it light with jokes because let's face it, learning English should feel like hanging out with pals, not a chore.
Spot on, Ben. Imagine it's Friday afternoon and we're just two friends catching up over a virtual coffee. The classic opener, right? Someone says, "What are you up to this weekend?" That's our first key phrase. What are you up to this weekend? It's super casual and means, what are your plans for the weekend? Not too formal, right? Listeners, let's make this interactive right away. Repeat after me. What are you up to this weekend? Say it out loud, nice and clear. Feel how it rolls off the tongue? Great job. Now, Ben, ask me that question for real.
All right, Lily, what are you up to this weekend? Spill it.
Oh, Ben, I'm keeping things pretty low-key this time. Keyword there, low-key. It means relaxed, not too exciting or busy, just chill. On Saturday morning, I think I'll sleep in a bit. Sleep in, that's staying in bed longer than usual, maybe until 10 a.m. Then I'm planning to grab brunch with some old friends. Grab brunch is like having a late breakfast or early lunch, often with yummy food like pancakes or eggs. In the afternoon, maybe a little window shopping downtown. Window shopping means looking at stores without buying much, just browsing for fun. Evening, probably curling up with a good book. And Sunday, yoga class and some meal prep for the week. Meal prep, preparing meals in advance to save time. Sounds peaceful, huh? What about you, Ben? Don't leave me hanging.
Nice plans, Lily. I love how you made it sound so inviting. All right, my turn to spill the beans. Spill the beans, it's a fun idiom meaning to reveal everything, like sharing secrets. My weekend's looking pretty packed, actually. Keyword packed, full of activities, no town time. Friday night kicks off with hitting the town with my buddies. Hitting the town means going out for a night of fun, maybe to a bar, a concert, or just wandering around the city lights. Saturday, I'm heading out for a hike in the nearby mountains. Fresh air, stunning views, and a good workout. Heading out is just a casual way to say going somewhere. After that, probably a picnic if the weather cooperates. Picnic, eating outdoors with sandwiches and snacks. Sunday's more relaxed, binge-watching my favorite series on Netflix. Binge-watching, watching episode after episode without stopping. Guilty as charged. Oh, and maybe squeeze in some laundry. Real life, right?
Ooh, that hike sounds adventurous. Listeners, pause for a second and think about your own weekend. What are you up to? Try saying it out loud. This weekend, I'm going to fill in the blank with something simple like relax at home or visit family. Go ahead, practice. Remember, using I'm going to is great for definite plans. It's the future tense made easy. Key phrase, I'm going to relax. Repeat after me. I'm going to relax. Awesome. Now, Ben, what if plans aren't set in stone? Like if you're not 100% sure?
Good question, Lily. For those maybe plans, we use words like I might or I'm thinking of. Might shows it's possible but not guaranteed. Example, I might go to the movies if I feel like it, or I'm thinking of trying that new cafe. These keep things flexible. And to keep the conversation flowing, always bounce it back. What about you? Or any exciting plans on your end? It's like a tennis match, back and forth. Haha, otherwise it's just you talking to a wall, and walls don't respond, unless it's a smart wall, but that's another story.
Totally agree. Let's role play a quick workplace chat to show this in action. I'll be your coworker. Hey Ben, TGIF, what are you up to this weekend?
Oh, hey, Lily. Yeah, Friday vibes. I'm keeping it low-key. Probably just hanging out at home. Maybe cook a big dinner. Hanging out means spending time casually. You? Got any fun stuff lined up?
Nice. Me? I'm thinking of heading to the beach if the sun's out. Gonna soak up some rays. Soak up some rays, that's relaxing in the sunlight, getting a tan. Sounds perfect after this week.
Jealous. Have a great time. See, listeners, short, sweet, and natural. Now your turn. Repeat the whole dialogue out loud. Start with, hey Ben, TGIF, what are you up to this weekend? Then my part, and so on. Pause if you need to. You're doing fantastic. This builds your listening and speaking skills.
And if your weekend involves family or friends, key phrases like catching up with family. Catching up means meeting and talking after not seeing each other for a while. Example, I'm catching up with my sister over coffee. Or for outdoor fun, we're having a barbecue. Barbecue, grilling food outside, like burgers and hot dogs. Then tell me about a time your plans changed last minute.
Oh man, last weekend was a classic. I had this epic road trip planned. Road trip means a long drive to somewhere fun. But then it rained cats and dogs. Rained cats and dogs, idiom for heavy pouring rain. So plans went out the window. Out the window means forgotten or canceled. Instead, we stayed in and ordered pizza. Stayed in, staying home instead of going out. Turned into a movie marathon. Moral of the story? Sometimes you gotta play it by ear. Key phrase, play it by ear. Decide as things happen, no strict plan. Like, I'm not sure yet, I'll play it by ear depending on the weather.
Pizza to the rescue. Listeners, repeat, I'll play it by ear. Good. Weather is huge in weekend talks. Phrases like, if it's sunny, I'll go for a walk, or hoping for no rain so I can hit the park. Hit the park, go to the park casually. For beginners, keep it simple. My weekend? Good, thanks. I'm staying home. Build up to more details as you get comfy.
Exactly. Add flavor with adjectives. Instead of I'm going out, say I'm going out for an amazing dinner at this cozy Italian spot. Pasta galore. Galore means lots of something. Makes your story pop. Joke time. Why did the weekend break up with Monday? It needed more space to relax. Haha, get it? Weekends are all about that freedom.
Grown-worthy but cute, Ben. Interactive moment. Dream up your perfect weekend. Say out loud, this weekend I'm excited to maybe explore a new trail or bake cookies. Share in the comments. We'd love to hear. Now, let's talk invitations. Key phrase, want to join? It's friendly and inclusive, like, I'm going hiking. Want to join?
Yes, hypothetical invite. Lily, a bunch of us are playing board games Saturday night. Want to join? We'll have snacks and laughs.
I'd love to. I'd love to. That's an enthusiastic yes. What should I bring?
Just your competitive spirit. Bring your A game. A game means your best performance. See how that turns a plan into a social event?
Perfect. Repeat. Want to join? Now use it. I'm watching a movie. Want to join? Great practice. For different vibes, busy weekend, I've got a ton on my plate. Ton on my plate means lots to handle. Relaxed, just taking it easy. Taking it easy means resting without stress. Adventurous, I'm off on a camping trip. Camping trip means sleeping in tents outdoors.
And sports fans. I'm watching the big game or playing soccer with friends. Key phrase, cheering for my team. Repeat, cheering for my team. Or errands, running some errands. Running errands means doing tasks like grocery shopping. Not thrilling, but honest. Joke, why do weekends always win at hide and seek? Because they're good at chilling in plain sight.
You're killing it with the jokes today. Family focused, spending quality time with family, or family get together. Get together means casual gathering. Wholesome stuff. If no plans, nothing special, just recharging my batteries. Recharging means resting to gain energy like a phone.
Spot on. Another role play, neighbor style. Hi Lily, nice weather. What's on for your weekend?
Hey Ben, yeah, loving it. I'm throwing a small backyard barbecue. Friends, food, fun. Throwing a barbecue means hosting one. Come by if you're free.
Sounds tempting. I'll bring some drinks. Bring some drinks means contributing to the event.
Deal. Listeners, practice that dialogue. Say it step by step. Builds fluency.
Vocabulary boost time. Activities like hiking, biking, picnicking, shopping, gaming, cooking, reading, gardening. Pick one. This weekend, I'm hiking in the woods. Say it.
Time expressions help too. All weekend long, Saturday morning, Sunday afternoon. Example, Saturday morning I'm hitting the gym. Hitting the gym means exercising there.
Or Sunday evening, winding down with tea. Winding down means slowly relaxing.
Interactive. Describe Sunday. On Sunday, I'm maybe cleaning the house or meeting friends. Go for it.
Now, bad weather scenarios. If it rains, I'll stay indoors and bake. Stay indoors means remain inside. Or catch up on sleep.
Health angle. Weekends for balance. Mix activity and rest. Joke. What's a weekend's favorite music? Chill hop.
Nice. Advanced idioms. Paint the town red. Party wildly. Or let my hair down. Unwind fully.
Key phrase, let my hair down. Repeat.
Full convo simulation. Hey Lily, weekend's coming. What's it looking like?
Chill vibes. Saturday, coffee date, then shopping. Sunday, yoga and reading. You?
Active. Golfing Saturday, family brunch Sunday. Yard work too. Yard work means garden chores.
Cool. Hope weather holds up. Holds up means stays nice.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed means hoping.
See the flow? Practice with a friend.
More examples? Work trip. I'm traveling for work, hotel life. Or holiday, celebrating with fireworks.
Pet owners, walking the dog or playing with my cat.
Cultural, attending a festival or visiting a museum.
If canceling, sorry, I have to bail. Something came up. Bail, meaning cancel, and something came up means unexpected issue. Then, let's reschedule.
Polite and positive.
Extend invites. You're welcome to tag along. Tag along means join casually.
Responses. Count me in. Count me in means yes, include me.
Or, thanks, but I'll pass. Pass, meaning decline politely.
Weekend regrets. I wish I had more time off, but focus on the positives.
Absolutely. Another joke? Why did the calendar love weekends? They were their days off.
Haha. Now for foodies, trying a new recipe or dining out. Dining out means eating at restaurants.
Travel, day trip to the countryside. Day trip means short outing.
Relaxation, spa day or bubble bath.
Creative, painting or writing poetry.
Tech, gaming marathon or browsing online.
All valid. Interactive, my favorite weekend activity is... Say it.
Wrapping the main part, but let's add one more role play for variety. A phone call with a friend.
Hello? Hey, Ben, quick question. What are you up to this weekend?
Hey, not much. Maybe a bike ride if it's nice. Thinking of that new trail. You joining?
Tempting. I might. Let's play it by ear. My plans are flexible.
Cool, text me. Simple, right?
Yes. Now, listeners, you've got tons of tools.
Time for the conclusion. Quick review. We kicked off with what are you up to this weekend? Shared plans using I'm going to, I might, play it by ear.
Keywords low-key, packed, sleep in, grab brunch, binge-watching, catching up, hitting the town, soak up the sun.
Phrases for invites. Want to join? I'd love to. Bring your A game. Changes, something came up. Bail, range cats and dogs.
Idioms, spill the beans, out the window, paint the town red, let my hair down. Activities, hiking, barbecue, road trip, running errands, cheering for my team.
Time bits, Saturday morning, all weekend. Role plays and repeats for practice.
We covered weather, family, sports, cancellations, real daily stuff.
The goal? Boost your conversational English naturally. You rocked it today. Pat yourself on the back.
Keep practicing. Chat about weekends with anyone. Record convos, join online groups. Small steps lead to big wins. You're amazing. Fluency is coming.
Thanks for listening. Like, subscribe, comment your plans. See you next episode.
Bye. Keep thinking in English. Stay positive.